Hey everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best romper in the market right now. The Beagimeg Women's Basic Long Sleeve One-Piece Crew Neck Romper Bodycon Jumpsuit. This stylish piece has been making waves, so let's see if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about the design and materials. This romper is crafted from a blend of polyester and spandex, offering a super soft and incredibly stretchy feel. It's perfect for those looking for comfort without sacrificing style. The design features a classic crew neck and full-length sleeves, making it suitable for cooler seasons like autumn and winter. Plus, it's easy to slip on and off with a zipper back. Now, let's talk fit. Available in sizes ranging from S to XL, it's designed to hug your curves like a glove. The style is universally flattering, which means it accentuates your figure beautifully. Whether you're heading to a party, a workout session, or even just a casual outing, this romper fits the bill. Pair it with your favorite accessories or a belt to elevate the look. Let's talk practicality. This romper is machine washable, which is always a plus. Just toss it in with your regular laundry and you're good to go. Due to its versatility, you can wear it practically anywhere. It transitions seamlessly from a day at the beach to a night out with friends. The options are endless. So, is the Beagimeg Women's Basic Long Sleeve One-Piece Crew Neck Romper Bodycon Jumpsuit worth it? Absolutely. With its comfortable fabric, flattering fit, and stylish design, it's no wonder why this romper has become a favorite among fashion enthusiasts. Whether you're looking to add a versatile piece to your wardrobe or searching for that perfect blend of comfort and style, this romper delivers on all fronts. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product reviews. Until next time, stay stylish. Take care, and see you soon.